traffic control involve procedures, devices, and communication system that ensures vehicles and pedestrians safety share roads, rails, and waterways or airspace. Traffic control establishes rules and instruction for drivers, pilot, train engineers, and ship captain to prevent collisions and other hazards. The key functions of traffic signs. First one is regulation. Regulation is enforcing traffic laws such as speed limits and stop yield signs and no entry zones. The second one is warning, notifying drivers of upcoming dangers like sharp turns and pedestrian crossing or reduced visibility. Number 3 is guidance. Guidance is providing directional information such as highways, route, and numbers, city names, or facility. This is the types of traffic signs. First one is the regulatory signs. These signs inform the roads users specific laws and regulations, and violating them is a criminal offense. They are typically circular with exemptions like the stop and give way signs. The second one is warning signs, also known as cautionary signs. They advise road users of upcoming road condition and are shaped like equilateral triangles with a red border and black symbols on a white background. The third one is the informatory signs. These signs guide road users with information about routes, destination, direction, and roadside facilities, making travel easier and safer. They are rectangular in shape. Next is the core principles of traffic control. First one is traffic control devices. This includes signs, signals, and pavement markings to guide and manage a traffic flow. The second one is the traffic engineering. This involves using traffic rules, regulation, and devices to reduce congestion and air pollution while promoting safety and pedestrian mobility, especially in urban areas. Third one is the safe and efficient flow. The primary goal is to ensure the safety and efficient movement of vehicles by improving local street with traffic signs and road markings and constructing comprehensive motorway control system. And the last one is conflict resolution. Conflict resolution is managing conflict at intersection is crucial for the safe movement of vehicles and pedestrian through time and sharing, spacing, sharing methods. Next is guide or information signs. The first one is the advanced direction sign. An advanced direction sign is a road sign placed before intersection or junction that provide guidance on the direction to upcoming routes and destinations. It helps drivers make decisions about which lane to use by indicating the routes and destination and distances ahead. The second one is intersection direction. Intersection direction is sign provide guidance for drivers at intersections, including advanced direction signs that show upcoming routes and distance, and intersection direction signs that are visible just before the intersection itself. These signs may show a simplified diagram from intersection or use arrows to indicate which lanes to use or specific turns, such as diagrammatic sign or arrow sign with simple. The third one is the reassurance direction signs. Reassurance direction signs are informal road signs that confirm your routes and show the approximate distance upcoming exit or destinations. These signs are typically. Next is the types of pavement of markings and markers. First is the pavement markings. These are the lines, usually white and yellow combination of a yellow and white, officially set on a road as separation for motor vehicles traveling in the opposite direction or the same direction in case of two-lane one-way street, two-lane time-way street, or four-lane two-way street. The second one is curb markings for restriction. These are markings placed on the curbs or edges of traffic for restriction or for parking regulation purposes. The third one is the object markings. These are markings placed on object on the road or beside from the road like humps, rocks, or similar hazardous object on the side of the road. The fourth one is reflectorized markings. These are markings or gadgets designed to reflect and becoming luminous when hit by vehicle's headline. These are placed or installed in the middle of roadway to supplement separation lines or an object at the side of the roadway which are too near or within the road pavement itself. Next is the specific meaning of pavement markings. Pavement markings vary depending on the traffic regulations and its location or depending the rules of traffic condition. First is solid white shoulder line. This denotes the edge of the roadway. Any as part of concrete surface beyond this line should not be used during a normal operation of your vehicle. The second one is diagonal white lines. An area filled with diagonal white lines are bordered by solid white lines is not considered part of the roadway, and vehicles are expected to stay off unless there is an emergency. These areas are often used to ease the flow of traffic where roads diverge or intersect. Broken white center line or lane divider. This denotes the center of two-lane road or marks the division between lanes on multiple lanes road. It is a reminder to stay you have your lane. Straying the lines is illegal and punishable under the law. This line is broken. However, this means it's illegal to cross when it overtaking or changing lanes. 4 is solid white center line. This is often used to divide traffic on a two-way multi-lane road. As this is a solid line, you are discouraged from overtaking over it unless the way is absolutely clear. Number 5 is solid white double center line. You are forbidden from overtaking over this line, but you may left turns over it, provided the way is clear. Remember, however, that is ongoing traffic is automatically has right of way. Number 6. Mixed center line, solid yellow with broken yellow or white line. This indicates the only one side overtake the side with the broken line. This is often found of entering curves where the view is obstructed coming from one direction but is clear from the opposite side. 7 is solid white line divider. These are often found near intersection and are reminders to stay in lane. As a practice, if you are turning at one intersection, it is best to get into a turning lane. Number 8 is directional arrows. When combined with solid white line dividers, they indicate which direction you are allowed to go within a lane. If the arrow points forward only, you cannot make a turn from that lane. If it points forward to one side, you can either go straight or turn. Number 9, broken blue line divider. This indicates the motorbike lane along major thoroughfares. The broken line is indicate that you can move out of it, but the lane is preferentially for motorbikes. Number 10, solid yellow lane divider. This indicates the bus lane or EDSA but can also be used to indicate vehicle lanes in some areas. Bicycle lanes may also be indicated by solid white lines on the side of the road. 11. Broken yellow line divider. This indicates areas where you can merge into a bus lane in preparation for turning off EDSA. Well, mixed double line divider or solid yellow with broken yellow or white line. This indicates that traffic on the solid yellow side cannot cross lanes while traffic on the other side may do so if the way is clear. This often use your smaller alerts merge into main roads or where feeder roads on merge onto the highway. 13. Rumble strip. These tightly spaced horizontal white lines not only give your car's suspension a bit of workout, they also indicate hazard ahead, such as dangerous curves or merging traffic. 14. Solid white horizontal line. This indicates where you must stop at a stoplight or stop sign. 15. Zebra crossing. This indicates a pedestrian crossing zone. Stopping over this at red light is a traffic violation, so make sure to pay attention to those light timers. 16. The yellow box. This box indicates the part of an intersection that must by law be kept open at all times. Even if you have a green light, if the traffic is stopped on the other side ahead, it's best to wait until there's enough space for you to clear the yellow box. Even in the absence of a light, the yellow box be kept clear.